One day, Sir Topham Hatt looked into the piggy pen. There was no piggy. So he asked Gordon if he could find it for him. So Sir Topham Hatt asked him, "Can you find the piggy for me?" And Gordon said, "Okay." Then Gordon was going up the hill to find the piggy, and suddenly he did not crash through the crazy hill. But then he lost the cart. So he had to back up the hill, but it's not connecting. Oh no! So he goes up the hill and he crashes. Oh no! Here he comes. "Oh, dear Edward, can you help us?" "Yes, I can." Gordon fell in the ditch while he was trying to get the piggy. "Can you help us?" Toot toot. And he's going down the track to go save him.
Nope, that's a different way. Oh, that's stuck. That's stuck all day.
We need to get over here. So he has to go up the hill and around.
No.
Oh, he can't. Uh-oh. He has to help him, though.
No. He helped that.
So he's helping all these.
Yeah.
"Oh, Thomas, can you help us? I need to help Bash, but I am supposed to be helping Gordon too, but I can't because I'm helping Bash. He's stuck in a ditch. Can you help us?"
No, Edward.
Edward can't help though. So we need Thomas's help.
Uh-oh.
So Thomas Thomas was going down and up the hill when he saw him. He saw Gordon. He said, "Wait 1 second, Gordon, I'll help you." So he goes down and moves the carts out of the ditch. Yay for Thomas. But Gordon, he's still stuck. So he needs a car to help him get Thomas out.
No.
He got there safely. Yay! And Gordon saved the day. Edward saved the day to help Thomas to get Gordon out. Now they just need to find the piggy. Can you find the piggy?
Yeah.
I think I see him.
But he lost his tender.
This is what the piggy looks like. He's usually in his pen.
No.
But he's not there. Oh no.
Found the piggy.
He found the piggy. Yay. Yay. Sir Topham Hatt was so happy that the piggy was in. He was home safe and he was okay.